Hello everyone, welcome to our classes for the BCom third semester. So in previous class I have discussed the syllabus of that is business statistics first. Okay, so in this video I am going to discuss the syllabus of the retail management. So totally you are having the 8 subject for the BCom third semester. So of that under one subject you are having, that is a retail management. Okay, so let us know about the syllabus of the retail management. So first chapter is related to the introduction to the retail management. So in this topic we will study about the evolution of retailing in India, meaning and definitions of the retail management. So simply retail management means what? Application of management functions in the field of retailing. So that is called the retail management. So meaning and definitions of the retail management and role of retailers. And retailers act as a link between the producers and the consumer, and there are some challenges faced by the retailers. And another one concept is there, e-retailing. In that about advantages and the disadvantages of the electronic retailing. E-retailing is nothing but the electronic retailing. So under first chapter in detail we will study about retail management, some definitions, and there are some role of retailers and that is challenges faced by the retailers. So this much of the concept we will study under the first chapter, that is introduction to the retail management. And second chapter is related to the retail developments and the formats in retailing. So in this chapter we will study about the organized and unorganized retailing. Organized sectors are nothing but these are the sectors which are situated in urban areas, and unorganized sectors are nothing but these are the sectors which are situated in the towns and the villages. Okay, so unorganized sectors is totally which are concerning with like hawkers, peddlers. ಇವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ರಿಟೇಲರ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಅನ್ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ಡ್ ರಿಟೇಲಿಂಗ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್, reasons for the emergence of modern retail formats. So what are the reasons for the emergence of the modern retail formats like malls, big bazaars? ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Modern retail formats ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. And modern retail formats ದ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತಾವ, ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರಿಟೇಲಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್. So in order to expansion of the retailing, there are some steps to be followed. In that we will study about the meaning, the need of the retail expansion, what are the reasons for the expansion of retailing, and there are some methods of retail expansion. So how the retailing will be expanded, there are some methods to be followed. And FDI is nothing but the foreign direct investment. So in this concept we will study about the meaning and importance and new FDI policy introduced, and there are some advantages and the disadvantages, and there are some internationalization. In that we will study about the franchising. Franchising is nothing but that is taking license for the purpose of starting a company with the ಮಲ್ಟಿನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ನೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ನೀಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ವಿತ್ ದ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೇನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಫ್ರಾಂಚೈಸಿಂಗ್. ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ರಾಂಚೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಂಚೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. So this much of the concept we will study under that is third chapter. So third chapter is related to the expansion of retailing in throughout the world. Okay, and fourth chapter is related to the retail pricing. So under this chapter we will study about the concept of retail pricing, elements of retail price, and there are determination of the price under retailing, that is a retail pricing strategy. What are the strategy to be implemented for the fixation of the price under the retailing, and adjustment to the retail price, and comparison of markup with the markdown. And another one concept is their methods of pricing. So there are different methods of pricing to be used for the purpose of selling the goods and services to the final consumer. So this much of the concept we will study under the fourth chapter. So fourth chapter is related to the retail pricing. So what are the strategies to be followed for the purpose of fixation of the price under the retailing. And fifth chapter is related to the retail marketing mix. So as already you have studied under the marketing management, marketing mix is nothing but it is a mixture of all the 4 P's, that is product, price, place and promotion. So in this chapter in detail we will study about the retail marketing mix, the meaning of retail marketing mix, concept of the segmentation. Segmentation is nothing but market is divided into different segments on the basis of area, on the basis of people, on the basis of age, on the basis of sex. So ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಂದರ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ನ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ನ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ STP ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದ for retail store platforms of the retail communication mix. So there are some retail communication mix na utilize ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತದ, and there are some social medias are utilized for the purpose of, that is marketing mix. It is a mixture of all 4 P's. ಸೊ 4 P's ನಾವು ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಷ್ಟು ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ದ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ದ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ 5th chapter, that is a retail marketing mix. So totally you are having the 5 topics under the retail management. Okay, so this is your syllabus of the retail management. Okay, thank you.